each and every person in the society, individually, personally, professionally, they are accusing mind. This workshop is not for everyone. This workshop is going to help all those people out there who really want to understand the nature of mind and who in total are accusing the mind that mind is something a big problem for them. People usually ask this kind of a question that if we want to meditate, then what is that particular technique, from which technique we can ultimately stop thinking. Now the answer to this particular question is that if you want to meditate, let's shut down the liver, let's stop the heart to function, let's stop the spleen, the pancreas and other organs of the body. So the person will say ki, no Nilofer, how is it possible? It's not going to work, right? So when all these things are not going to work, then why you want to shut down your mind? Because mind is directly connected to your vichar, that is your thought process. The point of debate is this, whether your mind is thinking in a right fashion or not. The problem is not that the mind is thinking. You have a thinking mind. It's a functionality of mind, it's going to think, right? The problem is that whether the mind is thinking into a right direction, into a right pattern, whether the mind is behaving like an asset to you or it is not an asset to you. So in this particular workshop, we are going to discuss everything about mind, where you, all the participants, are going to learn that how they can actually build up and develop that sort of great mind, how they can handle every situation of their life, thereby handling their mind in a right ways, by understanding the nature of mind, the types of mind we have got, what actually is mind, what is the psychology of building that kind of a great higher virtues, relaxed, more organized and more systematic mind. See, each and every person who is a seeker, who really want to understand their own mind and they want to use the potential of mind to increase their productivity, to have much more discipline in life, to increase their effectiveness, to have much more kind of a healthy and a happy life, then such kind of a people are very well eligible to attend this particular workshop. Yes, parents who want to understand the mind in a better way, the students who really want to understand how to develop concentration, what is the basic difference between focus and concentration, how they can have that enhance their capacity to have that sustained level of concentration so that they can use the potency of the brain to for that long-term memory and to have all those benefit of their good and more high intellectual mind, then definitely students should attend this kind of a workshop. Then yes, working professionals who are spending their 24/7 time into stress, they must learn the art of handling their mind to live much more kind of a empowered and a joyful life. So the working professionals are most welcome for this workshop. Then the people who are the spiritual seekers, the first step to spirituality as a manual is to understand the tools which nature has given us to live a much more empowered and a joyful life. So the tools are your own body, your mind, your emotions, your energy. So if you are a spiritual seeker, then the first step and a very important step to have that kind of a spiritual essence in your life is to understand your mind. So all those people who are the spiritual seekers, they are also most welcome for this workshop of mind and life management. This workshop is only for the seekers who really want to understand the biggest and the most important tool of their life, which is their mind. and they really want to they really want to understand the manual, the techniques, the science, the different researches behind this mind management.